Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Remove the window switch. We'll use a plastic prying tool. You can get these from 1aauto.com. Pry up between the silver part and the black part of the trim. So I'm pushing it up off of these two clips and these clips here. Push the lock in, pull the plug out, there's the window switch. You need to remove the plastic trim that's behind this so we can get to the screw. So you can pull out the door handle and then take the plastic prying tool, pop it out. It's not really in there with much force. It does have these four little clips here. We'll put that aside. Here in the door pull handle is a little felt mat. Let's see if I can get this up. Now we can access the screw that's in there. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the Phillips head screw that's in here. Do the same for this screw here. You need to remove this push clip here. So take a small flat bladed screwdriver and actually push the middle of the clip in. That unlocks it. Take the plastic prying tool, pry it up. Before you take the lower door panel off, you take this upper door panel off. This little trim cover. So I get my plastic trim tool under here. Pry it up off the clips. That removed, the rest of this door panel is held on with clips. So you can reach behind it and give it a firm pull to pop it off the clips. And then we'll lift it up and off the door frame. Need to disconnect the Bowden cables. One goes to the door lock, one goes to the door handle. Pull it off like this, and then feed a little ball at the end out of there. Do the same for the other one. If the door clips stay in the door, use the plastic prying tool to just pop them out and then reuse them in the door panel. To remove the speaker, push the clip in on the electrical connector, take it out, use a 10mm socket extension and ratchet to remove these 10mm self-tapping screws here. There's 3 of them. They do have a Phillips head cutout, but I'm going to use the 10mm socket because it's easier. Gently pry on the speaker, work it out. It does have a little tab here, you don't want to break it off. Reinstall the speaker. Let's get some tabs here. I want to make sure the electrical connector is towards the top. Let's sit it in here. Spin it. Reinstall self-tapping bolt. Tighten that up. And plug it back in. I'll reinstall the door panel. Put it up into position. Put the Bowden cables back on. The white one goes to the top. cable through there, then clip it in place. Do the same for the other one. Make sure you have access to the wiring harness for the window switch. And then we'll lift the door panel up, push it down into the opening. It's going to hook over the sheet metal, just like that. And we'll push it into place back on the clips. Push this trim panel back into place. It has these 3 clips and that clip here. Get it started. Reinstall this clip, so I'll push it back out to unlock it, get it started, and then push it in to lock it. Reinstall the screw behind the door handle. Install the screw here in the door panel. Put a little felt pad back in. Reinstall the trim behind the door handle. Just clicks into place. Reinstall the window switch. Plug it in. It'll click when it locks in place. These 2 lock tabs here, these ones in the back. It's going to go straight down, click into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.